Types of prototyping. Evolutionary/incremental prototyping. This type of prototyping takes an iterative approach in that requirements are specified, an initial prototype is developed, it is reviewed and then improved based on feedback. Each prototype will be built upon the previous one and functionality will be gradually added. Throwaway/rapid prototyping. In this type of prototyping, the prototype will never become part of the final delivered software, it will be discarded. This enables requirements to be fine-tuned early in the process, which is more cost-effective than making changes later on in the development. Rapid application development. Rapid application development, RAD, uses prototyping to develop a system in a very short time frame, usually less than 6 months. Requirements are gathered through focus groups, and most emphasis is placed on the development phase. Strict deadlines are put in place to ensure the project stays on track. Advantages. High level of user involvement means that the product is more likely to be suited to the user's needs. Evolutionary approach enables requirements to evolve. Strict deadlines ensure that the project is completed on time. Prototyping with user input means that less time is spent on design and more on development, leading to a shorter completion time. Disadvantages. Requirements are not clearly specified from the start. Users are required throughout the whole process. Strict deadlines could mean that some parts of the project are rushed. Users that are not involved may feel disappointed and system may not meet their needs. Waterfall Method. The waterfall method involves gathering all user requirements at the start of the project. Once this is completed, the process runs downhill like a waterfall. However, this relies upon the requirements being clearly defined, which is impossible, making this method fundamentally flawed. The verification phase exists to ensure the system meets customers' requirements, and the maintenance phase exists to fine-tune the system so that it fits the user's needs completely.